Hello, this is Emma from Jiangsu Clelo. I'm the sales director responsible for all of our sales and solar projects. Today, I'd like to introduce the Talesun PERC 450W, manufactured by Talesun. It's a PERC cell technology, 144 half-cut cells, single glass with module efficiency of 20.7%. We have installed it on the roof of industrial building. The module doing well in real installation. Right off the box, the Talesun 450 modules impressed us. The packaging was secure and well organized, and the panels themselves looked sleek and robust. The modules are lightweight yet sturdy, making handling on-site easy and safe. Once mounted, the whole area looks nice, clean, and seriously stylish on the roof. For Talesun modules, we've used them in all kinds of tough environments. Heavy rainy days, typhoon days, even after a few years, they are still performing close to the spec, with very low degradation, no major failures, and no weird hot spots. That's what we mean by doing well in real installation. They hold up when conditions get rough. It's well built in clean, professional look that fits nicely on any roof or site. And with 450 watts of consistent output, it delivers steady, reliable power, quality you can see and performance you can count on. Talesun's modules are just as reliable and efficient as the big brands. With similar performance and warranty support, you are getting the same reliable performance, but at a friendlier price. So for practical projects, it's a straightforward and sensible choice. Currently, this PERC 450W module is not as high efficiency as the newer technologies like TOPCon, BC, and heterojunction. Actually, we are still using PERC for some budget-friendly projects, but for anything new, especially large ground-mounted sites, we are pretty much shifted to TOPCon. Right now, we are really excited about the Talesun's 720W TOPCon module. TOPCon just gives you better efficiency and more power over time compared to PERC. Yeah, Talesun's pricing is fair and competitive. You get reliable quality without paying extra for a famous brand name. Compared to bigger names, it's usually a bit more affordable while still delivering solid performance. So far, we haven't spotted any hidden costs with Talesun's module, whether it's maintenance, warranty claims, or recurring expenses. Their product is quite reliable in the field, so maintenance needs are minimal. And when it comes to warranty, they've been straightforward and responsive in past cases. Honestly, that's one of the reasons that we keep working with them for so long. Actually, we are still using PERC for some budget-friendly projects. But for anything new, especially large ground-mounted sites, we are pretty much shifted to TOPCon. My score for Talesun 450W in terms of installation and usability, I like to give it 4. And performance and reliability, it's a 4.5. Build quality and durability, I like to give it a 4.5. And the value for money, let's give it a 5. And in terms of overall satisfaction, we'd like to give it 4.5.